Good morning, student. Welcome to once again. This is the video class of class 10 English medium student. Trigonometry chapter video number 2. Today we will discuss about the value of trigonometrical value of angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We have 6 trigonometrical ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. And today we will discuss about what is the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Similarly, cos 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree respectively. And similarly, we will find the value of tan, cot, sec and cosec for the angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Here we have 5 angle. First 0 degree, second 30 degree, third 45 degree, fourth 60 degree and last 90 degree. Here there are 5 angles, so we are going to take 5 whole number. How many whole number? 5 whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 5 number. So we are going to write here the 5 whole number. Why we have taken 5 whole number? We have 5 angle. We have 5 angle. So we have taken 5 whole number starting from 0 and last 4. Then here 0, 1, 2, 3 and last 4. We have 5 whole number starting from 0 to 4. These are 5 whole number. And we are going to divide all the number by 4. Dividing above number by 4. Then we have 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and last 4 by 4. After solving this, we will get 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1. The value of 4 by 4 is 1. And we will not write this fraction into decimal. We will write either in fraction form or in whole number like this. After that, we are going to take the square root of all these number. So we have taking square root of above. We have under root 0, under root 1 by 4, under root 1 by 2, under root 3 by 4 and under root 1. Here there is a fraction in under root sign. It means that its value it is under root 1 by under root 4. It means that the square root of numerator and square root of denominator. Like if it is written under root a by b, and that will be equal to under root a by under root b. Means we can write in separate square root of numerator and square root of denominator. It means at the place of this we can this type, and at the place of this we can also write this type. So 1 under root 1 by 4 means under root 1 by under root 4. And one more thing, the value of 0 by x is 0. If numerator is 0 and denominator is any number but not 0. If numerator is 0 and denominator is any number except 0, then its result is always 0. Like one example, if 0 by 3 is written, then the result of this is 0. If 0 by 4, that is 0. 0 by 10, that is 0. Means if numerator is 0 and denominator is any number except 0, then the value of this fraction will always 0. And one more thing, if denominator is 0 and numerator is any number except 0. If denominator is 0 means if 5 by 0, then its value is infinite. Or if y by 0, then its value is also infinite. But here one condition, numerator is not equal to 0. Here if denominator is 0 and numerator is any number except 0, then its value is infinite, and we will use all these results in it. Clear? So here after solving this, we will get 0, and after it means that under root 1 and under root 4 we can write under root 1 by under root 4. Here under root 1 by under root 2. Here under root 3 by under root 4. Here under root 1. Here also we can write this to this type. And here we are going to solve this. Under the value of under root 0 is 0, and the value of under root 2 means square root 2 is 1, and the value of under root 2 is 1.141. This is decimal number 1.141. So we will not write here. Means if the square root of any number will be decimal, then we will not write this. We will write as such. The value of under root 2 is decimal, so we will write as such, means under root 2. Here the square root of 1 is 1, and same under root, here under root 4. So we will write here under root 4, and the value of under root 4 is 2, then we will write here 2. Here under root 1, here under root 2, then we will write under root 2. And here under root 3 by 4, then under root 3, the value of under root 3 is decimal, so we will not write this, and we will write as such under root 3, and the value of under root 4 is 2. And we are going to erase this and last square root of 1 is 1. This is the value of sine 0 degree. This is the value of 30 degree. This is 45 degree. This is 60 degree, and this is 90 degree. So as such we are going to write here, means 0. Here 1 by 2. This is the value of 30 degree, then 1 by 2. And this is the value of 45 degree, 1 by under root 2, and as such under root 3 by 2 and 1. See here, we have 5 numbers. First number for 0 degree, second number for 30 degree, third number for 45 degree, fourth number for 60 degree, and last number for 90 degree. And after finding all these value of sine, we will simply write the value of cos. How? This is the first value, and we are going to write this value in last. This is the last value of sine, and we are going to write this value first. Here 0, 0, here, then here 0. And here 1 last value of sine, and here this will be first value of cos. Here 1. And middle value as such we will write 1 by under root 2. And this value for 60 degree here, and this value for 30 degree we will write here. Then 1 by 2, here 1 by 2, and here under root 3 by 2. See here once again how we have written the value of cos. After finding the value of sine, this is the first value of sine, and we will write this first value of sine. This is the last value of cos, and this is the last value of sine, and it will be the first value of cos here. And middle value means for 45 degree, and we will write this value as such for cos here. And after that 1 by 2 here, and under root 3 by 2 here. Clear? In last video we have discussed about the reciprocal relation of trigonometrical ratio. Reciprocal relation means sine is equal to 1 by cosec, cos is equal to 1 by sec, tan is equal to 1 by cot is equal to 1 by tan, sec is equal to 1 by cos, and cosec is equal to 1 by sine. This is the reciprocal relation we have also discussed in our last video. Here we will use the reciprocal relation. See here how. And in last video we also discussed about the value of tan and cot. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Then see here, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. See here, we are going to find the value of tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree, then at the place of theta we will write 0 degree, and same as tan 0 degree will be equal to sin 0 degree and by cos 0 degree. Clear? Any doubt? See here, the value of sin 0 degree from here 0. Then at the place of sin 0 degree we will write here 0, and the value of cos 0 degree is 1, and here numerator is 0 and denominator is anything, then its value is 0. We have discussed here in this video. We have already discussed here. If a numerator is 0 and denominator is anything, then its value is 0. So the value of tan 0 is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubt? And same like this, the value of 30 degree means tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, see here, tan 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree by cos 30 degree. Any doubt? And the value of sin 30 degree, see here, the value of sin 30 degree from this table is 1 by 2. So we will write here 1 by 2. And the value of cos 30 degree is under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2. And up we will solve this is equal to, here we will write as such 1 by 2. And this divide sign we will convert into multiply sign, and we will write this 3 by 2 to 2 by 3 means its reciprocal, 2 by under root 3. Means 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and the value of this is 1 by under root 3. And easily you can solve this 2 and this 2, this is denominator, this is also denominator, so both will be cancelled out and 1 by under root 3 will be remain. So this is the value of tan 30 degree, then tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by under root 3. 1 by under root 3. And same as tan 60 degree, see here how tan 60 degree the value of tan 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree, and sin 60 degree, sorry, firstly we will find sin 45 degree, sorry, 45 degree, then here 45 degree and here 45 degree. Any problem? Then the value of sin 45 degree is 1 by under root 2, 1 by under root 2, and cos 45 degree also 1 by under root 2, clear? And it will be 1 by under root 2 into under root 2 by 1. This under root 2 cancel, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. 45 tan 45 degree, the value of tan 45 degree is only 1. And like this, same tan 60 degree, then we will write here what? 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. The value of sin 60 degree under root 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2, and the value of cos 60 degree, what? Cos 60 degree 1 by 2, hereby 1 by 2. And after solving this, we will write under root 3 by 2, and this divide sign will be converted into multiply sign, and we will write its reciprocal here, then 2 by 1 2 cancel, and this is under root 3 by 1 means under root 3. The value of tan 60 degree is under root 3. Understand? And see here the value of tan 90 degree, then we will write here tan 90 degree, here also sin 90, here also cos 90 degree. And the value of sin 90 degree, see here 1 and by 0, 1 by 0. And we have also discussed about this, if denominator is 0, then its value is infinite. So tan 90 degree, its value is infinite. So we will write here infinite. Clear? And after getting the value, all the value of tan, we will write
the value of cot. This is the first value of 10 and it will be the last value of cot, means here 0, then here firstly 0, then here lastly 0. Here infinite in last, then here we will write infinite. And middle term same like as, and it will be proceeded here, then 1 by under root 3. And this is under root 3, we will write here under root 3. This is the value of cot. And sec, for sec, see here, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We have also discussed about this also in reciprocal relation. And if we want to know the value of sec 0 degree, then it will be 1 by cos 0 degree. And see here, 1 by cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree value 1, cos 0 degree value 1, then its value is 1, meaning the value of sec 0 is 1. And sec 30 degree is equal to 1 by cos 30 degree, and here 1 we will write as such, and the value of cos 30 degree here under root 3 by 2, under root 3 by 2. And how we will solve this? See here, 1 have no denominator, so we are going to its denominator, means 1 we can write 1 by 1, and this is under root 3 by 2. And we know how we will solve this. 1 by 1 into 2 by under root 3. Clear? Then it will be 2 by under root 3. After solving this, 2 by under root 3. Clear? Next, sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree, sorry, not 60, firstly we will find 45 degree. Sec 45 degree is equal to 1 by cos 45 degree, and this is 1 by cos 45 degree. The value of cos 45 degree is 1 by under root 2, then we will write here 1 by under root 2, and it will be 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 into under root 2 by 1, and after multiplying this we will get under root 2. Then here sec 45 degree will be under root 2. And next, sec 60 degree, sec 60 degree is equal to 1 by cos 60 degree, 1 by the value of cos 60 degree, 1 by 2, then we will write here 1 by 2. And after solving this 1 by 1, this one we can write, and this divide sign will be converted into multiply sign, and 2 by 1. After solving this we will get the value of sec 60 degree is 2. And last, sec 90 degree. See here, sec 90 degree is equal to 1 by cos 90 degree, and this is as such 1, and cos 90 degree here 0, then 1 by 0. See here how 1 as such, the value of cos 90 degree, 0, and its value is infinite. Then we will write here infinite, and with the same procedure, this is the first value of sec, and we will write here last value of sec. This is the last value of sec, and this will be first value of cosec, here infinite, and middle term as such under root 2, and this will be here 2 by under root 3, and here 2. This is all the trigonometrical angle of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, and rest part of the trigonometry we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for it.